So let's discuss about the land utilization in India. So first of all, forest. As you know that the land which is under the forest is the forest. Another, let me tell you what is land utilization. Land utilization means it is the pattern according to which the land being used within our country. So forest. Next is the land not available for cultivation. Land not available for cultivation. This include the barren and wasteland. Barren, wasteland, and the land which is under what? Which is under non-agricultural activity. Which is under non-agricultural activities like road, railways, okay, infrastructures for industries. These are come under the what? Land not available for cultivation. Then next is other than uncultivated land. Other than uncultivated land include what? Now it include the grazing fields. It include the land under miscellaneous trees and groups. It include the land which is not or what? The land which can be a cultivable wasteland. It includes the cultivable wasteland. For example, which is not cultivation is not occur more than 5 years. Is known as what? Cultivable wasteland is come under the other than uncultivable land. Then let's discuss about fallow land. So what is fallow land? Now fallow land means fallow is a technique mostly used by the farmers. In that technique, they keep the land uncultivated for a period of time to regain its fertility naturally. So those land who kept for this purpose are called fallow land. Fallow land are of two types. One is current fallow, another is the what? Now not current fallow. Okay, one is the current fallow, is the other than current fallow. Current fallow means the land which not being cultivated for one agricultural year. Again I am telling, current fallow means the land which not being cultivated for one agricultural year. Other than current fallow, which is not cultivated 1 year to 5 years. The land which is not cultivated 1 year to 5 agricultural year is known as other than current fallow. Now let's discuss about net sown area. Net sown area means the land over which in 2 crops are grown within a agricultural year. The land under which 2 crops are or more than 1 crops are grown within a agricultural year is known as net sown area. So we have discussed about the land utilization of India. Now let's discuss about how the land utilization pattern changed in India. Because the land utilization which was there in India during the colonial period or just after the independence, the land utilization pattern of today, there is a wide variation. Means the land utilization pattern has been changed a lot after independence and today. So what are the changes occurs in the land utilization pattern in India? Let's discuss about it. After independence, the land utilization pattern changed. How? For example, the land under agriculture activity increased. The land under pasture land are decreased. The land under mining activity, industrial activity increased. The land under settlement increased due to increase in population. So these are the some changes occurs after the land under what? After the colonial period, after the independence. Not only that, okay, the land under forest is decreased in India. Yes, somehow we are able to manage it due to afforestation, community forestry, but yes, it is not satisfactory because in India the land under forest is only 22%. But according to the ecological point of view, a country should have 33% of land under forest. But in India it is 22. That means somehow some part of our country are there in worse of endanger or difficulties in terms of ecology. So this is all about the land utilization pattern in India, the changes in the land utilization pattern in India, and also about the different type of land utilization in India. Due to indiscriminate utilization of land, because human being indiscriminately utilize the land, due to that land degradation occur. So now what is land degradation? Land degradation means when the quality or quantity of the soil or land affected by human and natural activities are known as or is known as land degradation. Land degradation mostly occur due to two things. One is due to natural and another due to human activities. So let's first discuss about the natural activities which are responsible for land degradation. First is the flood, drought and landslide. These are the some regions which are responsible for what? For the land degradation naturally. Now let's discuss about how human activity is responsible for degrading the quality and quantity of the soil. First one is the overgrazing. Overgrazing refers to when the grazing fields are less in compared to the grazing animals. It leads to overgrazing and it also leads to disappear of the natural vegetation from the grazing fields, and which lead to make the soil loose and ultimately soil erosion and the quality of the soil degrade. So this is overgrazing in one cause of the soil or land degradation. So what we can do, what are the measures we can take for overgrazing to control the land degradation? We can take some substitute for overgrazing. For example, we can take some substitute fodders for the animal instead of grazing. Another thing we can do, we can stabilize the sand dunes. Okay, we can grow cactus or different type of plants which can stop the erosion of the sand dunes. Let's discuss about mining. Mining is also a cause of what? Soil or land degradation. Mining how? Mining means it is the process of extraction of mineral from the earth surface. So in that when we do mining, the dust particle of the mining area, it suspended in the air and ultimately it is settled down in the over the nearby soil and make the soil unfertile. So in such cases we have to do proper technique. We have to use proper technique for mining. Okay, so to control the land degradation due to mining, we have to go for proper filling, because after mining that particular area there is no soil. We have to properly fill it with the help of sand or any other soil, so that the chance of landslides will be less and also soil erosion chances will be less. Then household, industrial and agricultural waste. Household, industrial and agricultural waste. Listen, we have thrown different kind of waste from the household, agriculture and the industries. Many of them are biodegradable. This biodegradable waste can be easily decomposed and it can be again what added to the soil. But what about the non-biodegradable? Non-biodegradable elements degrade the quality as well as the biodegradable also. We have to properly treat it before throw it. Okay, many chemicals from the household like detergent, colors, okay, many things, and in industrial also we have different kind of toxic material which thrown to the water bodies or to soil, which ultimately what degrade the quality of soil. In agriculture also we use fertilizer, pesticide, insecticides. These added to the soil and degrade the quality of the soil. So what to do in that case? To what? Stop the degradation. Now we have to properly treat before throwing the waste from the household. We have to first separate the waste, the degradable and non-degradable. Then we have to throw it in a proper way, treat it properly, then we have to throw it from the industrial household. In agriculture also, instead of using chemical fertilizers and pesticides, we can use some what now biochemicals and biofertilizers instead of that. Over irrigation. When we do over irrigation due to water logging, water logging occurs, and when there is water logging, the minerals of the water continuously deposit over the soil, and which make the soil alkaline in nature. And due to increase in alkalinity, the soil become or infertile. And to reduce that, we have to use some methods to stop the degradation due to overgrazing. We can what? Now we can use sprinkle irrigation. Okay, we can use we can use other irrigation for what? Now to stop the over irrigation and water logging. Deforestation. For deforestation, we can have afforestation for that. So next class we will discuss about the formation of soil.